I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Tesla Roadster in 3D driving class. To begin your quest, launch the game and carefully select the villa map from the main menu. Once the villa environment has fully loaded, your crucial first step is to exit the car you are currently driving. This action will allow your character to move freely on foot and explore the surroundings. Now that you're on foot, your next task is to locate a very specific house within the expansive villa area. Keep an eye out for a prominent building that features two distinct flights of stairs leading directly up to its main entrance. Carefully guide your character towards this house and make your way up both sets of stairs to reach the top. Once you have successfully ascended the stairs, proceed through the main door to gain entry into the house. Inside, you will discover a special, glowing present box. To claim your exciting new vehicle, simply walk your character directly into this present box. This interaction will instantly trigger the unlock for the highly sought-after Tesla Roadster in your game. Congratulations! After successfully interacting with the present, the magnificent Tesla Roadster is now permanently unlocked and available in your game. To experience its performance, simply open your vehicle selection menu. Scroll through the impressive array of available cars until you locate the Tesla Roadster, then select it. You can now enjoy cruising around in your brand new electric supercar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.